Many of the world's beloved foods, while delectable and significant in cultural cuisines, harbor potential dangers when consumed improperly or in large quantities. From the allure of the deadly fugu in Japan to the everyday potato that can turn green and toxic, our global pantry is replete with items that require caution and knowledge. Whether it's the natural toxins they carry or the way they should be prepared, it's essential to understand these foods to ensure safety while savoring their flavors. This exploration delves into such foods, offering insights into their origins, uses, and the precautions necessary for consumption. Hi. I am Rob from XplainingHealth. Every week I would like to share my medical knowledge.
Number 1. Fugu Pufferfish. Origin and use. Primarily found in the waters surrounding Japan, fugu is considered a delicacy and is served in specialty restaurants. The meat is delicate and flavorful. Cultural significance. Eating fugu is seen as a luxury and a daring culinary experience. Its dangerous nature adds to its allure and price. Toxin, tetrodotoxin. Deadly aspect. Certain parts of the pufferfish, especially the liver, ovaries, and skin, contain high levels of tetrodotoxin. Consuming even small amounts can cause paralysis and death. Prevention. Only licensed chefs should prepare fugu. They undergo rigorous training to safely remove the toxic parts. Number 2. Cassava. Origin and use. Native to South America, cassava is a staple food in many tropical countries. It's used to make tapioca, and the root can be boiled, fried, or mashed. Cultural significance. Cassava is essential for food security in many developing countries due to its drought tolerance and carbohydrate content. When improperly prepared, this root vegetable can produce toxic levels of cyanogenic glycosides, which can lead to cyanide poisoning.
Do you like the video so far? Do not forget to subscribe and share this content with a friend.
Number 3. Almonds, bitter. Origin and use. Bitter almonds come from a different variety of almond tree than sweet almonds. They're used in small amounts to flavor foods, liquors, and oils. Cultural significance. Bitter almond flavor is used in many traditional recipes in the Mediterranean and Middle East. Bitter almonds, which are different from the sweet almonds commonly eaten, contain significant amounts of cyanide. Number 4. Rhubarb. Origin and use. Indigenous to Asia, rhubarb stalks are often used in pies, jams, and desserts due to their tart flavor. Cultural significance. Rhubarb pies are a classic dessert in the United States and the UK. The leaves contain high levels of oxalic acid, which can lead to kidney stones or even kidney failure in extreme amounts. Number 5. Raw cashews. Origin and use. Native to Brazil, cashew trees produce the cashew seed and the cashew apple. The nut is popularly consumed roasted or used to make dairy alternatives. Cultural significance. In places like Goa, India, the cashew apple is used to produce a liquor called feni. The raw cashews sold in stores are usually steamed to remove urushiol, a chemical also found in poison ivy. Truly raw cashews can cause an allergic reaction. Number 6. Green potatoes. Origin and use. Potatoes originated in the Andes and are now grown worldwide. They can be cut in numerous ways. Cultural significance. Potatoes have become a staple in many cultures and cuisines, from Irish to Russian to Peruvian. When potatoes are exposed to light, they can develop green spots. These spots contain solanine, a natural toxin that can cause nausea, vomiting, and even cardiac arrest in large quantities. Number 7. Mushrooms. Origin and use. Mushrooms grow worldwide, with many species used for culinary, medicinal, or even psychedelic purposes. Cultural significance. Mushrooms have deep roots in folklore, medicine, and cuisine. They're considered a delicacy in many cultures. Only a tiny fraction of wild mushrooms are safe to eat. Many are toxic, and several are deadly. Number 8. Nutmeg. Origin and use. Indigenous to the Banda Islands in Indonesia, nutmeg is a spice made from the seed of the nutmeg tree and is used in both sweet and savory dishes. Cultural significance. Nutmeg was highly prized during the spice trade era, leading to colonial struggles and monopolies. It's also a traditional holiday spice in many cultures. Consumed in large amounts, nutmeg can be toxic, leading to nutmeg poisoning, which can cause hallucinations, seizures, and heart palpitations. Number 9. Tacacá is a traditional soup from the northern region of Brazil, particularly popular in the state of Pará. Made from jumbo, a type of herb, and tucupai, a yellow broth made from wild manioc. The soup has a unique taste and can induce a tingling sensation in the mouth due to the jumbo. Tucupai, when raw, contains hydrocyanic acid, which can be toxic, but it becomes safe after boiling for several hours.
The world's diverse cuisines offer both delightful flavors and inherent risks. From Fugu to Tacacá, respecting preparation traditions ensures we safely enjoy these culinary treasures. Their presence underscores the balance between nature's potency and culinary artistry. See you next week.